Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Jaguar remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is to remove this metal cover here. So following this arrow here, we need to push it this way to remove it from the key fob case. Like that. It just slides up very slightly and then you can remove it. And there you go. Remove the emergency key fob blade, and we use that as a tool to crack the case in half. So there is this little hole down here at the bottom where you can slide in the blade, and we just use that as a pivot to split the case in half like so. And there is your key fob battery. We just remove it from its home, like so. We get our new key fob battery, which has a part number of CR2032, like this one. We simply just pop our new key fob battery back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And it's just time to pop the cover back on. Make sure everything is lined up correctly and click it in place. Now we just pop the emergency key fob blade back into its little housing like so. And time to put this little metal cover back on. Notice that there's little 4 pins here and here that needs to be matching up on the case here and here, and on this side here and here. It makes it a lot easier to pop in the cover back on. Just like that. And there you go. It's all done.